Okay, we're gonna start our first fire. I like these, I don't know what they call these charcoal fire starters, chimney fire starters. We're gonna get this thing started here, and then we'll just check in and out as we go. Okay, I think we have it going here. What you do is you crumble up some paper, put across the bottom there. You don't have to put any gas or diesel or kerosene or lighter fluid, or what do you call it, charcoal fluid. You don't have to put none of that stuff in there, just paper and a match. Okay, so we're getting it started, getting it going. We've been working on our barn, so we have a lot of scraps, and so in here we're gonna put our scraps in there once we get it started and build that up really good. And then we have some firewood down the hill. Then we're gonna go get some of that, put in here. And what we're gonna try to do is that we want to heat up that metal there, that metal that comes from the manufacturer. And then we're gonna want to, more importantly, we're gonna want to burn our grills, our racks, that is. These racks here, we want to make sure they're burned out. So any oil or paint or stuff that comes from the making of the metal, we'll burn that stuff off before we use it for the first time. Alrighty, okay. I'll come right back and we'll get this fire going really good and go from there. We'll see how that smoke or that side vents are working, see if we can see stuff coming in and out of there or not. Or if we can close it up and see if we can slow it down, open it up, speed it up, or what. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we got it going. So now we're getting ready to pack a lot of this wood on that fire. I'm gonna burn this here, scraps from our barn project, and then I'm gonna burn all this wood here in the bucket of my tractor. I think at the conclusion of that, I think that that grill will be ready to go. I think we have enough wood going in this baby now. Can you hear it? I think those things on the side, if we cook on here, we will have to be able to control these vents on the side and up front. I'm going to need to pour some of that up front. That's all in the back, just about. Need to get some right down through here.